Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you particularly like the video you're about to watch, be sure to hit that like button and always share with a friend. Both those really do help out the channel. So today's product I want to share with you is a weighted blanket. Now this particular blanket you can pick up on Amazon. I will include a link in the description if you want to check it out. But it is by a company called Buzio, I think is how you pronounce it, Buzio, and it is a faux fur Sherpa weighted blanket. Now, if you are new to the weighted blanket concept, the idea is they have little beads in there that basically weight you down when you're sleeping, which kind of feels like getting a nice hug. And then it's supposed to reduce anxiety. It's supposed to help you sleep better, which, of course, if you're getting a better night's sleep, then you're feeling more rested, more focused. So it has a lot of little benefits. Now, a little kind of tip point, your weight of your blanket should not be more than 10% of your body weight. So when you're shopping around, be sure to keep that in mind. But yeah, so that's kind of the basic concept behind it. It's been around. It's used on pets all the time. I'm sure you've seen like the weighted little blankets that you can put around dogs and cats during thunderstorms, etc. So I wanted to give this a try out. When you buy it, it's basically going to come in a bag like this. And then they also include a little pamphlet here that explains kind of some of the benefits, like I just said, over the reduced stress and deeper sleep. And then it kind of goes over all the care instructions. So this particular blanket here is, I got the 15-pound one, and it's 48 by 72, so it's kind of more for a single person. They also have a 60 by 80 inch blanket, and both those blankets come in either 15 or 20 pounds. So obviously, like I said, make sure you calculate which kind of pounds work with your weight. And then they came in 4 colors. So I got the gray one. They also had kind of like a creamy white, and then like a pink color one and a red colored one. But what kind of drove me to this one is reading the reviews. It looked like it was going to be super, super soft. So let's open it up here and feel. Yeah. See, this feels great. So it's definitely heavy, but yeah, this fabric is super, super soft. So you have the kind of the faux fur here, and then you have this nice, luxurious soft. So yeah, this is going to be really great, nice and warm. Now they also have a ton of little itty bitty glass beads. I think the instructions said they were like 1 millimeter in size, so you don't really feel like some of the other blankets where you can feel those big beads. You don't have that with this. And then they're sewn in little kind of pockets, which the fur kind of hides, which looks great. But they're sewn in little pockets, so it's evenly distributed over your body while you're sleeping. So yeah, this is basically it. Couple of care note things that they say, because of the weight, you don't want to put this in your own washing machine. Because even when it gets more water on it, it's going to get really heavy. So they suggest if you do need to get it washed, go ahead and use a commercial rated company out there that does heavier duty washing. It's not meant to be dry clean. You can always spot clean it. And you need to tumble low or hang dry. So those are kind of the care instructions. But yeah, let's go ahead and I want to try this out. So we'll sleep with it a couple nights, and I'll come back and let you know my thoughts and opinions if I feel like I've been sleeping better and if it truly stacks up to the hype of weighted blankets. All right, so I've been using the weighted blanket in here for a couple weeks, and first off, I'll say it is incredibly soft and comfortable. As you can see, it's this side I usually keep on the top, and then on the flip side, it has the pleated little squares here that are also incredibly soft. So I cannot stress how soft this thing is. So that alone makes it awesome. As far as the weighted element part, it's completely even. I never once felt like I was heavier in one part versus the other. It never fell off the bed or anything like that. I can say the weighted part has helped with improved sleeping a little bit. So I have one of those watches that tracks your sleep, and I have noticed that I've been getting a little bit more deeper sleep. Now I'm assuming that's to the weighted blanket. Other factors could be coming into play, but this is really the only thing that has changed. Because of the weighting, I don't roll around as much. You know, I stay put. So I think that's kind of more reason why I've had deeper sleep. The only negative thing I could sit there and say about this is, which really isn't that negative, is the fact that because of the heaviness and the super soft plush feeling, the blanket is quite warm. So in the summertime, depending on what temperature you like to sleep at, I could see this, because it's like a blanket, so I could see this warming you up and you getting hot. And because it is weighted, it's not something that you would easily in the sleep throw off or anything like that. You would wake up and have to remove it. But like in the winter, or in the fall, that's even better, because it is perfect for that. So that's kind of my thoughts on it. I am very happy with it. I would totally recommend it if you're looking to try a weighted blanket and hoping that maybe it'll improve your sleep like it has with me. And other than that, I'll include a link in the description. Be sure to check that out. It'll take you to Amazon in case you want to see what the current price point is, read some of their reviews, etc. Feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out. Hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.